And welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show.
I'm Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. And today we're going to make little muffins so that Violet can try them. We're making them for Violet. So we preheated the oven. Thanks, oven, for cooking.
This was for the cooking.
And now we're going to take our little mini muffin tray and we're going to put these little thingies in it. Okay?
I'm opening it myself.
Okay, you can do it yourself. Hey, Opal, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
Is pink your favorite color?
Mm.
Nice.
Opal thinks pink.
You're doing a really good job putting all those baking cups in there.
Purple.
Purple.
Opal's like purple.
Oh, you like purple too?
Purple's big house.
How many more colors do we need?
I need pink.
1,
2, 3, 4.
4 more. Good job. Good counting. All right, next we are taking the flour and putting it in a bowl. Nice job, Opal. Next is a half of a teaspoon of
Opal.
cinnamon. Can you say cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
Good job. Very nice. Next is a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Can you say baking soda?
Baking soda.
Very good. Now we'll mix them all together.
Opal.
What's this?
Egg. Egg.
Put it in the bowl. Crack. And we're going to do it again. This is a different bowl, by the way. Crack. And one more time. Oh dear. This is hard one-handed.
Crack. Open.
Woohoo!
Look how.
Now we're going to beat them.
Yes. Open yes. Open me.
Yeah, beat them. We made a little mess, didn't we? But it's all better now, right?
I want to try it.
All right, Opal, what's this?
Banana.
It's an overripe banana. Yucky.
Yucky.
What are we going to do with it?
Yucky.
We're going to mash it.
Get it? I miss it.
Mash, mash.
Oh, boo. I'm going to do banana.
Okay. All right, Opal, what's this?
Applesauce.
That's right. Pour it in. Very good. What's this? Do you know?
Vanilla.
Very good. Vanilla. All right, you going to pour it in? Good job. Now we're going to stir, stir, stir. You want to do it or you want Mommy to do it?
Oh, boo did.
Okay, go ahead. All right, Opal, now we're going to add the entire bowl of wet ingredients to the bowl of dry ingredients. You want to help me? All right, grab on. We're going to pour it in. Whoa, good job. I just realized that Opal was licking all the blueberries before we put them in. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I think we're just going to pretend it didn't happen, because we don't have extra blueberries. So we're just going to put those in. Are you being goofy?
It's an oven.
That's right. We're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes.
20 minutes on the phone.